I got this purple look in my head and I've been dying to put it on my face, so let's do that. I'm gonna use the Anastasia of Beverly Hills Fall Romance palette to achieve this look. You guys know how I only like using one palette really, especially if I'm gonna do a breakdown with the products with you in my videos. I just like to use one palette so it's not confusing. I know everybody is not a pro, and I think that's what's missing in this kind of makeup space. Us as pro makeup artists just think that everybody can catch on so quick, and you guys literally can't. And if I was a beginner, I would not even, I would have a hard time understanding what the heck is going on in a makeup tutorial. I like using one palette to complete a look. I really try hard to just go with one. And if I'm not doing one palette, then it's definitely just a video that you're watching for enjoyment, and I'm not talking to you about how I did the look. To prime my eyes, today I'm going to use the Born This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch. You can use whatever eyeshadow primer you have. That's like a nudie color or clear, it doesn't matter. And I'm just going to blend that all over my eyelid. I'm not going to put too much. I'm just going to add a thin layer of concealer. I'm just going to use the Morphe translucent powder to set the concealer in place. Basically, we're using this eyeshadow right here. This eyeshadow is called Midnight, and we're going to put that on the lid and a little bit in the crease. I barely put the brush in the color and the pigment is just crazy. I'm just gonna bring whatever's left over on my brush into the nose bridge part. I'm gonna take, I kind of want to take both, so I'm gonna take this one first. The color is called Moonlight. I'm not even gonna take the lighter one. Like I said, I'm just gonna use Moonlight all over the lid. Now I'm gonna take a glitter. This is what it looks like. I can't even tell you where I got this glitter from, girl. It might be from J. LaRue Cosmetics. And I'm just gonna put that in the inner corner. Just gonna put that right here. Now I'm gonna use the Trixie Cosmetics black gel liner. If you guys notice that your eyes are leaking during your makeup application, I've learned that it's because your eyes are dry. Now, I didn't put in my eye drops today because I usually wear contacts and I don't have my contacts in. I don't have my eye drops in either. So now my eyes are leaking. But that was proof to me that that is the reason why your eyes are leaking, because your eyes are dry. I never knew that before, but now I know. So I'm learning my lesson. That's never gonna happen again. For the bottom of the lash line, we're just gonna take this color right here, the Midnight. Also deciding to take this color right here, Mulberry, and I'm gonna put that in my crease and at the bottom of my lash line.